Ms. Megan and this is my week 8 assignment 2, Spotted Pie assignment. I'm gonna go ahead and run it and then talk through my functions here. So my first function, that'll run. My first function is load data, which takes the artists and the track files. It counts the artists on a track, returning the number of artists per track. And then my next function is summarize genres. This takes a list of genre keywords and generates a data frame with the genre name and the total number of artists in the data frame. So that's still loading. Oh, here we go. So that's that table. Um, I also have get genre variants. Artists can have multiple genre labels. So I split the genres column into individual values and I use the explode function. So each genre appears on its own. And then I filter for genres that contain the keyword. And then return the unique variants. The next is summarize artist performance. This analyzes a specific artist. So using the artist's ID from the artist table, I then find all tracks where that ID appears. And then I classify tracks as solo if the length of like the amount of artists equals 1, and collaborative if it's greater than 1. Then I calculate the number of tracks, the average popularity of total solo and collaborative tracks, and then count unique collaborators using a set, which automatically removes duplicates. So printing all of our answers to our questions there. And then in my main function, I run the required outputs. I print the artist with the maximum number of followers, which is Ed Sheeran. Surprise, surprise. Then our most productive artist, I've actually never heard of, Dre. Then the genre summary, which we talked about. Here is a demo of the keyword function. So the number of jazz variants is 137. And then lastly, I did a summary of artist performance on Michael Jackson. So for Michael Jackson, total tracks 255, majority of them solo at 224, 31 collabs, an average popularity of 43, which only got better with his collabs by 0.05%. And then his top genres here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I accidentally pressed twice on this. But that is my demo for Spotted Pie. Thank you.